In this lesson, we're going to start working with the trending product endpoint. So in the Postman, let's open this trending product endpoint. That's basically a GET request and returns the list of trending products. So let's try to create a method for this endpoint. We're going to switch back to the Visual Studio and let's copy this get categories method and simply paste it here. Right after that, let's rename this method to get trending products. Now let's copy the URL of your API endpoint and simply paste it here. If we go to the Postman, here you can see that this request will return the list of trending products. So instead of passing the list of category class, we need to pass the list of trending product. Also, we will make the return type of this method to task list of trending product. Alright, that's all from this method. Now I will see you in the next lesson.